Let's start with the exercise number 1.1, textbook pages number 11, 12 and 13. And the first question is differentiate the following equations with respect to x. And the given expression is x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. So let's suppose this expression is y and we need to find the derivative of y with respect to x. Y with respect to x because the present variable in the given function is x and therefore we will find the derivative of y with respect to x. Now as we know the rule, if the function is x raised to n can be any natural number. If the function is x raised to n, then we can find the derivative of the given function with respect to x as n into x raised to n minus 1. For example, अगर function है x raised to 5, if the function is x raised to 5, then we can find a derivative of x raised to 5 with respect to x as, here the value of n is 5, let's write here 5 into x raised to n minus 1 means the predecessor of 5 and the predecessor of 5 is 5 minus 1, that is 4. So this will be the answer of that function. And since it is x only, since it is x, we know the derivative of x is 1. So here we will write 1. Here we will write 1. 1 means हमने again derivative of a basic function यहाँ पे लिया है. So always we have to take derivative of basic function with the actual given function. So let's use this rule in the given equation. The given equation is y equals to x cube minus 2x minus 1 equals to 5. And here we are going to find a derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x equals to, with respect to x means dx आएगा यहाँ पे, equals to derivative of given function x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5 with respect to x. Raised to 5 with respect to x. Now as we know, this is the basic function raised to 5. X raised to n equals to n x raised to n minus 1 into the derivative of basic function. Same rule यहाँ पे हम apply करने वाले हैं. So let's take 5 here and in bracket the same function x cube minus 2x minus 1 we will write raised to predecessor of 5 means 5 minus 1, that is 4 into derivative of basic function. तो यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगी derivative of given function x cube minus 2x minus 1 with respect to x. I will repeat again what we have did here. The given function is x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. हमने इसका derivative निकाला है with respect to x and derivative of the given function with respect to x is 5 into given function raised to 4 as per the rule I have mentioned here into डेरिवेटिव ऑफ बेसिक फंक्शन. जो भी बेसिक फंक्शन आपको यहाँ पे पूछा जाता है उसका भी डेरिवेटिव हमें यहाँ पे अलग से फाइंड आउट करना है. सो लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप नाउ. आई विल राइट द फर्स्ट फंक्शन एज इट इज बिकॉज ऑलरेडी वी हैव, okay, I will write the first function as it is because already we have found a derivative of this here, x cube minus, this is a cube, x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4. ये टर्म आपको as it is लिखना है. यहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे, you will sort out the terms or you will do separate them, x cube minus 2x and minus 1, and let's find the derivative individually. For example, you will find here a derivative of x cube separately, derivative of x cube with respect to x minus derivative of 2x with respect to x minus derivative of 1 with respect to x. ये derivatives हमें यहाँ पे find करने होंगे. And now let's find these three terms derivative individually. So which is equal to, I will write the first term as it is 5 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4 into, now derivative of x cube is again 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 2. So here we have found a derivative of x cube. As we know x raised to n का derivative क्या होता है, n x raised to n minus 1. वो rule यहाँ पे apply किया. 3x raised to 3 minus 1, it means that 3x square minus Let's find the derivative of 2x here. Now 2 is the constant term, so let's write 2 as it is. And we know derivative of x is always 1. So we will write derivative of x as 1. Let's put a bracket here. Minus 1 constant, separate constant है without a variable. So ऐसा जब number आपको मिलता है तो इसका derivative हमेशा 0 होता है. Derivative of constant is always 0 and therefore we will write here 0. This is 0. So finally we get the answer 5x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4 into 3x square minus 2. And therefore dy by dx equals to, let's write a binomial first. Okay, first of all we will write this 5 as a constant because it's a monomial. Then we will write binomial 3x square minus 2, and then we will write a trinomial x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4, which is the final answer.